In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a diamond earring inspired by the granny square. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. I am really excited to share with you a crochet earring tutorial that will show you how to make these diamond earrings. This pattern is inspired by the granny square. So in order to create these diamond earrings, you will need yarn, of course. I'll be using this Super Saver multicolored ombre yarn. It has a fast color changing that creates this wonderful pattern as we work up these diamond crocheted earrings. You'll also need your jewelry kit that will put the hooks onto your crochet piece that will allow for you to turn your crochet piece into earrings. You'll need your jewelry tools, some scissors, a yarn needle, and your crochet hook. I'll be using a size letter D. Well, it's time to roll up my sleeves just a tad and get crocheting now. So to crochet our diamond earring inspired by the granny square pattern, we're going to be using a magic circle, and I will be using the half double crochet stitch in order to create this diamond earring. It is inspired by the granny square, so I'll be actually doing 2 rounds of the granny square, and then I'll put the earring on an angle to attach our jewelry. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with a magic circle. Go ahead and pull through, and that pull through actually counts as chain 1. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put another chain, which is chain 2. So these 2 chains is going to act as our first half double crochet. So let's go ahead and do 2 more half double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook into the circle, and you're going to pull through all 3. Okay, let's do that again. Yarn over, insert into the circle, pull up. 1, 2, 3 is on your hook. Yarn over, and you're going to pull through all 3. That is our first cluster. So chain 2, 1, 2, and let's do our next cluster, which will be 3 half double crochets inside of our circle. Okay, chain 2, 3 more half double crochets, chain 2, okay, and let's do our last cluster of half double crochets. Okay, chain 2. Move my tail out the way. So chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to slip stitch at the top of our initial chain. Okay, so that completes the first round of our earring. So now we're going to move on to round 2. So go ahead and chain up. We're going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to work in this next corner. Okay. So yarn over, insert our hook in. We're going to do 3 half double crochets. Chain 2 and 3 more half double crochets in the same corner space. Okay, chain 1. And we're going to repeat what we just did in this corner and this corner. 3 half double crochets, chain 2, 3 half double crochets, all in the same corner space. Okay, chain 1 and repeat again. 3 half double crochets, 2 chains, 3 half double crochets. Chain 2 and 3 half double crochets. Chain 1. Okay. Now for our last corner space. 3 half double crochets. Chain 2. And now we're going to do 2 half double crochets and we're going to slip stitch to the top of this initial chain. I'm going to pull through and cut my yarn. Now at this point we have crocheted all of our rounds and we're now ready to sew in our tails. Now what we're going to do is add our jewelry pieces onto our project and we're going to put our earring in the position of a diamond and we're going to go ahead and attach our jewelry to it. Here are our diamond earrings, inspired by the granny square pattern. I'll see you in the next one and subscribe for more.